Hey everyone, talking about Heresy by Chapel Factory. I'm pretty impressed with this fragrance house, especially for the prices. For example, this one is 110 for 100 mil. Obviously, that's not nothing, but as far as fragrances that are more, close to the niche end, very good deal. The notes in this one are pepper, incense, cedar, sandalwood, violet, vetiver, patchouli, and Gaiac wood. And this opens as smoky incense, but enveloped in like this cooling fresh spice. Yeah, the incense here is really like soapy and more like the church incense kind, but there's like enough freshness with it from some of the fresh spice side and sort of the lighter notes and airiness that the violet brings that I think it doesn't get too overwhelming in that direction. Somebody else said that this would be a great gateway fragrance for those who don't like or haven't tried many incense scents, and I totally agree with that. Yeah, because it's not too harsh. I used to think that I really didn't like incense scents, even like, 7 months ago or something, because the ones that I had tried were just so, I don't know, just too, remind me of like hippie shops or something like that. But as I've explored more of what's out there, I realized there's just so many different types of incense. And again, I think this is a pretty beginner friendly one. I also think something else I saw someone say that resonated with me is that this has an almost sparkling Coca-Cola type of accord. Not to everyone, but I smell it and other people have too. So whether you like that or not is something I would take into account. I don't like that, but I can see the appeal for other people. It's almost even slightly licoricey to me at times. And it also almost reminds me of the Givenchy Gentleman line. Everything from, Cologne, Eau de Toilette, all the different ones in that line have that kind of sort of smooth spice, almost light, slightly barbershop peppery type of feel. Yeah, this isn't my type of scent to wear, mainly just because of, I think, the way that the patchouli kind of edges it in there, maybe contributing to like some of the licoricey cola type of thing that I get to my nose, but I wouldn't mind smelling this on someone else at all. I think it's a nice combination of clean yet edgy. Yeah, it's very clean, like very smooth. Even though there's all these like kind of harsh sounding notes in it, or intense really, maybe not harsh, I think this would be really fine for even like professional situations. And then it's also still edgy because there is that smoke in it that is not in most like super clean fragrances. So yeah, I think this leans slightly masculine, but it also could still be pretty unisex. Longevity and projection on this are just okay, but I think this is the kind of scent that, yeah, that might be good to wear in a situation, either like a workplace thing, in which case you should not be wearing anything ideally that projects too much in general, or maybe even like a date night thing if someone's going to be more up close with you. Yeah, just fresh and clean, but with an edge. So I'll put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample. I also recommend Holy Stick by Chapel Factory. I believe I've done a review on my channel of that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to checking out more from them.